In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert USDG to Bitcoin. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Firstly, you will need to have your Kraken account. If you don't have one yet, I will leave a link in the description below where you can create your Kraken account and you will even get 20 euros for free just by completing those simple steps. So you can do this and you can even invite more friends so you can earn up to 600 euros. After that, you will need to have USDG on your wallet, and once you have them, you just need to click on convert right here at the right and then put USDG at the top of the coin, which is basically the coin you want to convert, and then the coin you want to receive, which in this case it should be Bitcoin. So once you click here, you can select the amount of USDG you want to swap to Bitcoin, let's say 150. You just need to click on review and confirm this transaction. So this way you can go to portfolio and you should have your Bitcoin ready there. So in my case, I don't have any USDG, but that's the process you need to follow. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.